first, going to go ahead and open up the trunk. All right, so we're going to start on this side first. We're going to do the right side on the passenger. Phillips screwdriver. Once you have the screws backed out just a little bit, take some needle nose, grab them on the head, and pull straight out. Same process, pull straight out. One down here. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this one. Pull that down. Gonna just keep moving around. Pull it down. Start feeling it give away a little bit. Next, what you're gonna do is once you have this pulled down here to see the reverse lights, there's these two little tabs right here, right here, right here. Push these two together right here. You'll see this one and this one. Squeeze them. Once you squeeze them, it drops down like this. And just to give us some more room, we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect it from the assembly. Now we can take our reverse light out. So to remove it from the stock housing here, we're gonna push on the bulb, twist counterclockwise, and it'll come out. Goes like right in these grooves. Take our new LED right here, same process as before. Push it in, make sure you line up the little notches. Push it in and twist. Next, we'll go ahead and plug it back in. Twist it around. We're gonna line it up. Make sure it goes all back in the way it needs to go. Always good rule of thumb to go ahead before you do anything else. Let's go ahead and test it. Make sure the reverse light is working, just so before you button everything up on this side. All right, with that tested, good to go. Gonna put that back with the clips fully go in. We're just doing that with every single one. Every one that you do, you can just gotta take your Phillips, push it back in. Is up here. To get that side done, all you're going to do is do the same process here on the other side, and then you'll complete your install. Fast forward to the ending part and show you guys a before and after. Well, there you have it, the quick and easy DIY install of swapping out your reverse lights, changing them from halogen to LED. Just adding some additional LED options onto, my M5 here. Check out down in the description box below for the LED lights that I used for the reverse lights, and also I added some additional LED lighting in the trunk and on all 4 doors. That's down in the description box below. I do have the DIY on to do all that as well. That will be down there too. So plenty of good DIYs surrounding LED lighting here on the F10. So big thumbs up on today's DIY video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out more videos on my 2016 BMW M5. Lots of content on my 2008 BMW 335i. Good stuff there. DIYs on both of them. The main goal of my channel here is just to show you how easy they are to work on. You can enjoy BMW, they're fun, and ownership is good as well. Hopefully everyone has a great weekend, and I'm gonna chat with you on the next video. Take care.